Hey guys, I'm Sonika. In today's video, I'm going to show you the different frame rates present in your Nikon Coolpix B500 and how you can use them and set them. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please consider subscribing. And in today's video, we are going to discuss what is frame rate, what are the different frame rates available in the Nikon Coolpix B500, how you can set them and use them. And this can be true with respect to any camera. Any point and shoot entry level camera will have similar frame rates. So let's get started. Video is a bunch of images played one after another. And because of our persistence of vision, we get the illusion of a continuously moving object, that is a video. Now the amount of images played in 1 second in one video is called the frame rate, and it is measured in frames per second, that is FPS. Frame rates come in various standards: 24 fps, 25 fps, 30 fps, 60 fps, 120 fps. In the B500, I can record videos in the resolution of 1920 by 1080 at 30 or 60 fps, 25 or 50 fps. First, let's go into the menu, movie options. Here we have 25 fps and 50 fps. So you can select whichever one you want. Now I come to the frame rate and hit 30 instead of 25. Here my options are now 30 and 60 fps. So which frame rate should we use? 25 or 50 fps or 30 or 60 fps? There's no wrong or right answer, guys. You can use whichever frame rate suits you. If you don't know, experiment with the different frame rates available in the camera and see which works for you. I mostly shoot in 25 fps because I think it looks more just natural to the eye. I also use 30 fps. 30 fps will be smoother because it gives me 5 more frames in 1 second. I only use 50 or 60 fps if I want to make some slow motion animation effect onto it, or if I want very smooth footage, because if I place my 60 fps video on a 30 fps timeline, this footage will be smoother and some camera shakes can be avoided. And 30 and 60 fps are suited for playback on a device using NTSC standard, and 25 and 50 fps on devices using PAL standard. I mostly make my videos for uploading on YouTube or any social media platform, and these websites nowadays support all kinds of frame rates, so I don't need to worry much about it. So make sure that the medium through which you're going to show your videos, the frame rate should be best for that medium. Now we're going to play a little game. I have filmed various videos in different frame rates, and you guys have to guess which frame rate for you was used for which video. So are you ready? Let's get started. Did you get them all right? Hats off if you did, and if you didn't, it doesn't matter, guys, because I filmed those videos and I still didn't get them right. Anyway, now we'll do a sound check of all these frame rates.
Here guys, we're shooting in 25 fps. We are in a park in an open space, but there may be disturbances around. It's only to test the camera sound quality in 25 fps. It's quite good. If you remove the background noise later, it works great. And that's it. Mic test 1 2 3. Now guys, we are shooting in 50 fps. Is there a difference in the sound and video quality? I really don't know. That's what we are gonna test. And I hope you are liking my videos, guys. If you do, give me a big thumbs up. And this is mic test 1 2 3 in 50 fps. I don't know how I sound. A lot of disturbance, but it'll be good. Shooting in 30 fps. 30 and 25 fps are the ones that I usually shoot in, guys. As you can see, the sound quality for this, you can judge it. That's what this video is all about. And once again, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That's what I always say to you, so I'm saying it again. And the aim here is to judge the audio quality. Sound test in 60 fps, the maximum fps that my B500 can go to. And does the maximum give me maximum sound quality too? That is what we are going to test. Mic test 60 fps, and I hope you like it. I'll just keep talking so that you can judge the video and audio quality.
As you can see, there's not much difference in the sound quality in the various frame rates. And if I change my frame rate, I'm not going to change my video quality. A higher frame rate does not guarantee higher video quality. I'm just going to add more frames to my sequence. I may get smoother footage with less camera shakes, but the file size will also increase. So guys, the choice is yours, whichever frame rate you want to use. You can experiment with the different frame rates in your camera and use the one that suits you best. And if you guys found my video to be useful, give me a huge thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which tutorials you want to see next on my channel. Share this video with your photography friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous photography tutorial about the B500. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.